Hi everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the WhatsApp Messenger program on your Mac computer. Now this program does not have a native application for Mac, so we have to do it a little bit differently. We actually have to install an Android emulator on our computer and then install WhatsApp in there, and it will work. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our browser. You can use Google Chrome, whatever you want. And you're going to go to BlueStacks.com, and I'll post this link in the description of this video here on YouTube. This is the Android emulator. So we need to go ahead and download this app. Now, since we're using Mac, we're going to download the app player for Mac OS X. So we're going to click. It's going to download, take a couple minutes. So once it has finished downloading, we're going to open it up and install it on our computer. So we're going to open up the BlueStacks DMG file. This is really cool because you can run other Android applications using this program as well, not just WhatsApp. Once it opens up, we're going to move it to our applications folder. You do have to do this, so make sure that you drag it right over there to the applications. It's going to copy it to that folder. And now what we can do is we can open up BlueStacks. So you can either go to your applications folder or you can go up here to Spotlight and just search for BlueStacks, and it will come up. And we're going to go ahead and open it anyways. Even though we downloaded it, we can accept the agreement. It's going to finish installing it for us. Now this is the app player, and it's going to take a second to load here. And there are a number of apps in BlueStacks that you can install. They're Android apps, but you can install them and run them through the BlueStacks Player. For whatever reason, WhatsApp is not listed in there, so we have to install WhatsApp a little bit differently, but it definitely works. I just did it a few minutes ago. So once this screen finishes loading, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look. And actually, while it's doing this, we can talk about the next step. What we need to do is we need to go back into our browser, into Google Chrome, and you need to go to whatsapp.com/Android. And I'll go ahead and I will post this link in the description of this video here on YouTube as well. And when you go there, you'll see this big green button. And we actually have to copy the link that this button leads to. So you can right-click on the green button, and you're going to copy the link address. All right, so now it's copied on your clipboard. And we need a way to access that link in the BlueStacks Player. And copy and paste doesn't work. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to a Facebook, or you could do Twitter too, but Facebook's probably the easiest. Go to your Facebook profile, open up Facebook, and go to post a new status, and just paste the link that you just copied in your status. And just to make sure that everybody else isn't like, hey, what is he posting? You can just post it only to you. So you'll be the only person that will see this link. And we just need a way to access it. And this is how we can access it in BlueStacks. So go ahead and just post that link just to yourself. Now we're done here in Facebook. And once the BlueStacks app player finishes up, we're going to access our Facebook account here in BlueStacks, and we're going to download that link, which will let us install WhatsApp here in BlueStacks and use it on our Mac computer. Okay, so once the BlueStacks app has finished loading, we need to access our Facebook account. And just to show you, you can try and search in here in BlueStacks. You can search for WhatsApp. You can see other people are searching for it, but nothing's going to come up. Actually, here it is. That didn't work for me the first time. It didn't come up like this. So if it does come up for you, you can install it right from here. But I'm going to show you the other way because, like I said, the first time for me, it didn't come up in the list here, and I think some of you might run into that problem. So again, you can install it from here if it comes up in your list. If not, we're going to X out of this, and we're actually going to go to the Facebook app. So what we can do is we can go to My Apps, and you'll see Facebook is already installed. So we're going to go to Facebook, and we're going to log into our Facebook account. So once you have your password entered, go ahead and click Login. And then we're going to access our profile page because that's where we posted the link that we need to install the WhatsApp app. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to go to my Facebook page. And I'm going to click on the link that I posted down here at the bottom. And you're going to see it says starting download, and the download happens up here at the top. So what we need to do is we need to click and drag this black bar down. And you'll notice that the whatsapp.apk has been downloaded. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to get to the install screen. So from here, we're going to click Install. It's going to go through its install process. Now after this, there's a verification process. So we're going to go ahead, and once it's installed, we're going to hit Open. It's going to open up the WhatsApp app, and you can see we're already in WhatsApp. We just have to finish verifying. So we're going to agree and continue. Now we have to verify with our phone number. So go ahead and enter your phone number. You do have to have a mobile phone to do this because it's going to send you a text and then it's going to try calling you. That's the number I'd like to use. So what I found out is that the SMS part of this doesn't work because it will send you the text, but we don't have any place to enter it on the screen here. So you're going to get a text, but you're going to kind of ignore that and you have to wait for it to time out here, and then we're going to actually send ourselves a phone call and we're going to be able to enter the message from there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fast forward the video from here to the next step. So as you can see, the SMS verification timed out, and now we have the option to call me. And if you're following along with me, you might want to pause the video here until your SMS times out as well, and then you can start the video back up. But mine has finished, so I'm going to go ahead and hit call me, and it's going to give me a phone call. I'll turn my ringer on my phone so you guys can hear it. It's pretty quick. It happens almost right away. So you can see I'm getting the call right now. I'm just going to answer. Going to give me a 6-digit code. And then you can go ahead and hang up after you enter the code. You can see I'm in here into WhatsApp. I can go ahead and enter my name. If you've been using WhatsApp on your iOS device, you're kind of starting fresh here. Any new messages that get sent to your phone number are going to come through, but you're not going to see all of your message threads right away, the previous ones. So you're going to kind of have to re-add some contacts and that sort of stuff, but at least you can use WhatsApp on your computer. So I enter my name, and then I go ahead and hit next. And it says, enjoy a lifetime of WhatsApp. I can go ahead and continue from here. And here I am in WhatsApp. So I have one conversation because I used to have an Android phone. I don't anymore. That's from a long time ago. But what you can do is you can actually click on this little icon at the bottom left. And here's where you can start new chats. You can create new groups. You can go to your contacts, and then you can click down at the bottom again, and you can actually import all your contacts. And if you go back to that screen I was at, here we could start a new chat, and I don't have any contacts, so I would have to add some contacts first. But you can now use WhatsApp on your computer through the BlueStacks app player. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments section here on YouTube. And if you did find the video helpful, I would appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more technology tips and tutorials, and also sign up for my weekly newsletter on ansonalex.com. That's all I have for you for today. Again, this is Anson from ansonalex.com.